What's going on? This is going to be a short video because this mod is one of the easiest to install, and I'm speaking of course about these paddle shifter extensions. Now, they don't come in a fancy box, but don't be fooled about their quality. You'll immediately notice that they are heavy, well made, and perfectly machined. Etched on top of each, you'll see a minus and plus sign, which of course denotes your downshift and upshift. They're installed with double-sided 3M tape, which comes with it, so all you'll need is isopropyl alcohol for surface preparation. This extension has the gunmetal finish, but they also offer red and silver. My only complaint about the design is that the back of the extenders are flat and not contoured like the stock shifters, although the edges are slightly rounded, so it doesn't feel as ergonomic, but it doesn't take long to get used to it. Let me show you how easy it is to install these. Use some isopropyl alcohol to thoroughly clean the mating surfaces. The better the preparation at this point, the less likely that this will come off in the future. It also helps if you do this in a warm environment. Remove the clear side of the 3M tape and place the pre-cut tape on the extender. At this point, only apply enough pressure so that it stays put. Then go ahead and remove the red backing off the 3M tape. Now you can simply mate the two pieces together. The extender is basically a mold, so you can't really mess this up. Once you have the pieces together, apply pressure to bond the 3M tape to the plastic and the metal. It's that easy. If you happen to have vinyl wrapped your interior trim like I did, then before you install it, you might want to consider using some of your spare vinyl to wrap the face of the paddle shifter extensions so that it matches. That's what I did, and the effect is pretty striking. Although it's secured with 3M tape, so it's not a permanent installation, I would still make certain that you are happy with the color or style before installing it. That way you don't have to deal with trying to remove them later on. Not only does it look amazing to me, but it's also a practical mod because our WRX's paddle shifters are fixed to the steering wheel. That means that as you turn the wheel, the shifters turn with it, so that makes it difficult to manually shift during hard turns. This design is great for canyon runs, but not so much for city driving. So these extenders partially solve that problem. And did I mention how awesome they look? If you're new to my channel and you own a WRX CVT, I have tons of info on this car, so be sure to look around. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for more WRX, CVT, and general automotive content. Thanks a lot for watching and take care.